Hello everybody, welcome to our channel, Half an Avocado, and today I am here with my son,
me,
and we're going to be opening
a kawaii box filled with cute and kawaii stuff.
And he gets this every month, and we're going to open the box.
Yep.
So we've got the box open, and we're going to see what's inside. Exciting! Are you excited?
Yeah, a bit too excited.
Yeah, let's open the box. You help me?
Yeah. There's a slip here with a bunch of pictures.
This is people that have all won. Thank you for being part of our Kawaii Box community. Share your unboxing photos and tag them with Kawaii Box for a chance to get featured. Wow. This is really cute gift paper.
Yeah.
Isn't it? We'll have to keep this
Oh, look,
straight.
there's a little moon.
Oh yeah. Wow, what's inside? So exciting. You do it.
Okay.
So
So,
what's this?
I don't know.
Not really sure. Maybe it's some sweets or something. It says soda. So maybe... Oh, look, I think they're little soda flavoured sweets.
Yeah, like
look on
little
the back.
paws, maybe.
Shall we see if they smell nice or yummy?
Yeah.
I'll open them for you.
I wonder what they smell like. I wonder if they smell really nice. I think they smell. How do they
Ooh,
smell?
they smell nice. Do you want to try one?
Smell nice. Really
Ooh,
nice.
try one.
You too.
I will.
Oh, well, this feels so squishy. This feels squishy. The
Squishy.
squishy is real.
They are paw shaped. They're like little Cody feet.
Yeah.
Cody's our dog, by the way.
I've already put it in the mouth.
What does it taste like?
Mmm. Tastes nice.
Nice. What's this one? Is it a little plushie?
I think so. It's a Sumikko Gurashi, I think.
Is that from a show?
Maybe.
It looks like a little dinosaur that's stuck inside a Eskimo outfit, like a polar bear.
Yeah.
We take it out of the bag? Let's get Betty to do it.
That's soft.
Does this come off or not? I think his thing comes off. Look,
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's
he's
like
got a little coat that comes off. That's really cute.
Look how cute that thing is.
Oh, I think
yeah.
he's a little dinosaur. He looks like a little Pokemon, but he's not. He's a little dinosaur.
He looks like a Squirtle.
A little bit. Look, he's got a little thing. I can't understand what it says. Could anyone in the comments let us know what this says? Thank
It'll
you.
be a big help.
And you could put this in your bag for school. 'Cause it's a
Yeah.
little keyring. That's so cute. I'll put his little coat back on
Yeah.
so he's not cold. You cutie.
Unicorn!
Oh, unicorn. Washi tape, I think it is. Oh, masking tape.
Unicorn.
Very pretty. I'll have a look at it. Have a little look. My fingers are a little weak. Will you show them around this?
This
What does it say?
Sweet dreams with and then a unicorn.
Ooh,
Like it's like a rainbow.
very pretty. I like the unicorns that are around it.
Yeah.
And
Unicorns are the best.
also
animal.
it has some writing that says sweet dreams all the way around it. And there'll be lots of it. What's next?
Let's see. There's this Sumikko Gurashi one. Another Sumikko Gurashi. It's like, oh, it's got that dinosaur
Oh, it's
again.
got this dinosaur again.
It's
And
got-
some other characters.
It's got that little egg yolk.
Oh yeah, it has. I just noticed. Is this a notebook?
Maybe.
Maybe we can write in it. Shall we have a look?
Yeah. How do we?
Maybe it's a sketchbook that we can that we can write in.
Yeah.
Let's have a look inside.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
That's like stickers.
Oh, they are stickers.
And then there's got little writing paper, and then I think
writing
that's for, like,
paper.
There's drawing and writing.
Wow,
that's cool.
drawing paper. Blank. Well, it's kind of blank, but it's got like a background on it. It's so cute.
Oh,
It's like thank you paper. Do you know when you send notes to people to say thank you? Wow, look at this.
whoa.
This is so cute.
I wonder what type that is. Maybe it's drawing and writing.
Look at these.
Ooh.
So beautiful. So let's look at the next thing. Wow, look
Let's
at all
see.
these things.
Wow, okay, this is my lucky day. There's a lot of unicorns.
A lot of unicorns. That's your favourite, isn't it?
Yeah. Whoa. What's this?
Wow. Ooh.
So this unicorn is cute. A lot.
So is this your favourite thing out of all of the things?
Yeah.
Wow.
Coolest
Do you think
thing
you'll
ever.
be allowed it at school?
Probably not.
Probably not, but you can use it at home.
Yeah.
Wow, you can use this in that notebook as well. Perfect.
Yeah.
Wow.
And if you're drawing in the dark, you can put that light on.
Yeah.
Next thing.
Next thing, what's this? Some more, some tape. So cute.
Whoa.
These are very shiny.
Yeah.
This is glitter tape. So
Wait,
cute.
what? Glitter tape.
And you can use that in this notebook too.
Yeah. So much stuff for that.
Yeah. Are you going to enjoy doing this?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can write all your things down.
Yeah.
You love stationery and all these cute kawaii things. Okay, next thing. Look at this really cute dog. And they are sticky notes.
I have a dog notebook which you can stick.
Yeah,
those
you can
in.
stick those in your doggy notebook. Those are really cute. So kawaii.
Yeah.
So
Kawaii.
kawaii. Got a few more things to open to see what they
Yeah.
are. Do you want to?
Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes and see which one. It's like this pin thing. It says West, East, Center.
Ooh, I like these pins. They're very cute and you can stick them on your t-shirt.
Wait, where did the egg yolk go?
You must be on holiday.
Yeah. Or maybe
This is
he's
very
that,
cute.
Or maybe he's in that guy's backpack.
Maybe. Do you want to do that again? The close your eyes thing.
Yeah. Got two more
Two
things.
more things to pick up.
Yeah.
Look at it.
This is a unicorn.
Ooh, what is it? Is it a pen?
I think so.
Does this one light up?
Man,
But this one's very
it's just
cute.
a fancy. It's just a really fancy topper. It's the best
Ooh.
topper ever.
This might be a pencil.
Yeah.
Let me just check. What's this
Okay.
last thing? It's that egg thing that you said that you liked.
The Gudetama.
Gudetama.
I think these are like stickers.
Oh, these are stickers.
Ooh.
So nice.
I like that one.
Yeah. It's like coming out of the shell, isn't he?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can open this. I'll just get the scissors.
Handy scissors.
Handy scissors. Let's cut this open.
Cut.
And get it
Cut
open.
this open. Pen.
Open. Do you want to have a look at them?
Yeah. Ooh.
You have a look. Oh, they're like
Look at that.
see-through stickers. Very nice. They're very nice.
Let's see what's on the. Oh, it shows what stickers are.
Oh yeah, it does. They're very nice.
Yeah.
I like them. They'll be very, very useful in that note paper that you got.
Yeah. We got.
And even that planner that you got in one of your kawaii boxes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Planner.
So nice. That's all from us today. Thank you for coming to watch us unbox this wonderful kawaii box. I'll leave a link down in the description box if you'd like to get one for yourself.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And that's us from All Half an Avocado. We'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye!